Although Create React app provides a good number of features and it provides the entire scaffolding nicely, all the folder structure and everything, but we would prefer to create our own SRC folder and create our own components and utility libraries and the CSS everything our own, right? So for that, what you have to do is that we have to remove this folder altogether and then have only a new index.js inside it. Why we are doing that? Because we want to have our own structure inside the src, because src folder is where we have to write the code, right? So that's the reason we have to create our own structure of src and own files. So we have to basically remove this boilerplate code that is created by create react app. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just do a right click over. So we are having a lot of things, so everything will go up now. So just I will do a right click and then click on delete. Okay, you will see this will not work properly. That's okay, we have to, we'll create it again. Now it compiled with problems, right now what I will do, I'll just create one more folder again, that I will type it as src, and inside that I will be having one index.js file where we'll start everything from scratch. Okay, now I'm having an index.js inside src folder, and there here we will write all everything from scratch. Okay, so you have to remove this src folder. So removing this boilerplate code is important to proceed further. Okay, so let's move to the next video.